Good day. Do you know how to read fractions? Do you know what is 4/6 all about? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. In this video, we are going to define the meaning of fraction, the parts of a fraction, how to read a fraction, and how to write both in numerals and in words. Are you ready? Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan kung ano ang fraction, kinakailangan natin gumamit tayo ng isang mansanas, isang buong mansanas. To demonstrate a fraction, we need 1 whole of an apple. Kapag pinaghati natin ang mansanas into 2 equal parts, ito ang mangyayari sa kanya. Kailangan ng hati ay pantay-pantay o ang tinatawag nating hating kapatid. Kapag nahati natin ang mansanas sa dalawa, ito na ang itsura. Ang isang buo, pag hinati, ay may 2 parts. Ito ang isang part. 1 part is called 1/2. I repeat, 1/2. Paano natin isusulat? Mamaya, pag-aaralan natin kung paano sinusulat sa salita. 1/2 is written as ONE-HALF. 1/2. Always remember to write hyphen in between 1 and half to join these 2 words. How does a fraction looks like? From our previous example, 1/2 looks like this. The number above the line is called numerator. Again, numerator. Again, numerator. How about the number below the bar? It is called denominator. Denominator. Let's repeat. The number above the line is called numerator. Numerator tells how many equal parts or pieces of the whole we are talking about. Ngayon naman ay ang number below the bar. Ang tawag natin ay denominator. 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 Denominator tells how many total number of parts or pieces are there. So, ang keyword dito ay total number of parts. Upang mas maintindihan pa natin lalo ang fraction, gagamit tayo ng pinakamasarap na pizza sa buong mundo. Hahatiin natin ng 2 ang buong pizza. Dahil hindi natin makakain ng buo ang isang pizza, hahatiin natin ng 2. Ito ang isang part. Ito naman ang pangalawang part. 1 whole pizza is cut into 2 equal parts. Kapag pinagsama mo ang 2 half, we call that 2 halves. Remember its silent L. I repeat, 2 halves. What if the question is, what fraction are the red parts? Anong sagot? The answer is 2/6. Paano? Bilangin kung ilan ang red parts na tinutukoy sa tanong. Ilan? Meron siyang 2 parts. This number becomes our numerator. Now, the next problem is to find out what is the denominator. Ang denominator ay kung ilan ang total number of parts. Ilang merong total parts ng ating figure? There are 6 parts. Therefore, our answer will be 2/6. 2/6 is written in words like this. Kung sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.